Hello everyone, today we are going to make Pista Kulfi. In case you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon. Let's see what are the ingredients. We need milk, vanilla essence, Pista Color, Milkmaid, let's see how the Pista Kulfi is made. In a pan, let's add the milk. To the milk, we need to add the Milkmaid. Do stir it well. Allow it to get thick and let it cool down. Once it has cooled down, add vanilla essence. Stir it well. And now we need to add the Pista Color. And now stir it again very well. Let's put the liquid into the kulfi cones now. Place the cones into the freezer. Our yummy Pista Kulfi is ready. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.